Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I will be the mathematics teacher taking this grade 8 unit on Pythagoras. So just a background about me, I've been teaching high school maths for about 14 years now and I studied at UCT originally. And yeah, I'm very happy to be with you and presenting this module, and I'm hopeful that this will be a very helpful module for the students that take it. So what are we going to actually do in this module? It's 4 units, and we'll be using this sort of one note type structure where each lesson is divided into its own page. And yeah, I will be drawing on the board some of the time. So I may be talking about, with the theorem of Pythagoras, we'll be talking a lot about right angle triangles. And so I will talk about the language that we use, for this famous theorem called Pythagoras, and we'll talk about, how do we talk about the relationship between the sides in a right angle triangle. There will also be interactive quizzes. There will be exercises on the Watobi app, and yeah, I think that we really should be aiming to create a good feeling and atmosphere of encouraging each other to work hard. I think students will really benefit from the positive group dynamic that we'll create, a space where they can ask questions about stuff they're confused about, and just getting a lot of support as they try to improve in their mathematics. So that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you in the actual course itself. And yeah, cheers from me for now.